Ngiyanibingelela ababukeli emakhaya, lo nibingelelako ngumbali wakaSimelane Umnguni Mpembe Ndlebe Zomchawane, and this is Mind Over Matter. Okay, this is a safe space where we get to talk about serious issues that we face on a daily basis. Lokuhle ke mbukeli ngehlelo ukuthi I don't run solo. I always have an amazing guest on the show. Ngikhuluma nge-expert mbukeli lesitako as we are talking about the topics that we talk about daily. Namuhla ke ehlelweni sinaye Velile waKaNdlovu, our psychological counselor mbukeli utasita namuhla as we are moving forward with the topic. But before we even get to the topic, Mbugeli, welcome, Velile, and thank you so much for joining us on the show.
Thank you so much, Mbali. Sanibonani babukeli emakhaya. Nginguye Velile waKaNdlovu. I am a psychological counselor.
Yeah, man. Mosho kanjalo ngifisa ngazo ngame, like I think nangisho mina personalize. I feel like it's a very expensive name, but it's fine. We'll talk about that later. Namuhla Velile sikhulumisa indzaba lemicwa kakhulu. I think a topic that we downplay noma ke indzaba lesingayithathi serious ngisho kanjani. Indzaba ye-anxiety and panic attack. Ngiyadembukele khanje uyasho ukuthi hayi nami ngihle ngiba yadi ne-panic attack. Lesinye isikhathi usuke ngasiyo mhlawumbe, but because we don't know ukuthi nasikhuluma nge-anxiety and panic attack sikhuluma ngani. Can you just break it down? Just unpack ukuthi nasikhuluma anxiety and panic attack, what are we really talking about?
Thank you for that. So bantu banako vele lokuwalisebenzisa lamagama interchangeably but ayahluka. Ngizoqala ngayo le anxiety. It's everyone uba nayo anxiety. Anxiety can be a good thing, and it can also be a negative thing. Masei kakhulu. So in today's case, anxiety is a natural response to any situation then a pressure ekhathi. So nale pressure nakhona, it can be pressure le wena ucabanga ukuthi khona kanti ayikho khona. So we then say perceived danger, perceived stress, perceived and so emva kwaloko ke bese sekubudakele anxiety nasobona ukuthi hayi ngathi kunengoti la.
Yeah. Isuke khona imbamba invelo noma ngilokucabanga kwakho nje ukusebenzisa amagama la bu perceive. Isuke ingekho. It's just you thinking.
So there are two instances. Iba khona. Ngiyabekiswa nje umfana esikole uyobhala. So that's an anxiety provoking event. So and it's a natural one. Nale response leyo wonke umuntu under pressure. But ke kube sekuba khona lokho ukuthi ngike ngavelelwa demo empilweni and sengiphila ngiyabekisa kuke kwagcekezwa ekhaya. Kuyagcekezwa ekhaya, so sengihlale nginaleso stress, nginaleyo anxiety ukuthi ngabe ngeke yini bese baphinze bagcekeze. So akusiwo ukuthi bayagcekeza, but because kuke kwendeka sekuperceived, it's not there, but my brain thinks it's there.
Now the panic attack part, what are we talking about?
A panic attack ngilapho khona so sudden lokho akufani nale anxiety. Anxiety iyakheleka, yo next week siyabhala, yo kusasa siyabhala, yo namhla siyabhala. So I panic attack ngilapho khona sudden kuvele kuchamuke nje, ngiyabekisa nje sike sagcekezelwa ke nako ke siyagcekezelwa akude lokugcekeza akude lokhona, but ngokuthi lelo langa mabagcekeza kwakhala spoon kwawa spoon. So sonke isikhathi nakuwa spoon noma umsindvo utsite, suddenly seyinhlitiyo yami seyishayela etulu sengisaba. So I panic attack ke leyo ku very sudden and ku intense ke lokho.
Lo munye uyachaza kancane, but just to go deep, what really causes that? Is it just only the incident lo wabalago noma ke lesinye isikhathi ngibekise something happens nje busho ukuthi bayagcekeza ekhaya kuphele 50 years totally right, nothing happens, mhlambe sekuyavela ke mhlambe in the next 50 years, is that still a panic attack noma sengilesinye isimo mhlambe noma?
That's a good question. A panic attack ingaba immediate futhi ingendeka years later. Ngiyabekisa nje naba labasuka etimphini masotsha lebekalwe empini, labo bantu utokhanza ukuthi ba retire 10 years ago, but kuze kube nginamuhla just hearing nje the sound of a bottle of champagne popping bayathuka because they perceive that there's danger, someone is shooting at them. So sebayesaba sebaba nale panic attack. So ingendeka immediately panic attack or ingendeka over after years.
All right. Before we even get to the common signs, why do you think we downplay anxiety and also panic attack?
We downplay
a cultural thing, or my cultures like they take it serious. Most of the anxiety, but to come here, breathe, you know, they do all those sort of things. But you know, I told him just how exam, how she's been doing this, you know.
It definitely culture iyayidlala inzima because Western culture inemagama for every little situation, emotion. But in our African culture, where the concept of psychology in itself is non-existent, it's a new term. So again, nalama newly diagnosed or newly identified emotions now asesemasha. So kusesekusha nje ukuthi how umntwana esikole nakapanic kahle kahle uthi ngalisito. It's still new. So it is not really downplayed ngawuthi it's a lack of knowledge, understanding ukuthi this is what it is. This is a panic attack. Ungasho ukuthi umfana so too dramatic. Hayi ukuthi awukadadishi sintshelile sicimane ema-TV. So that is something where a person needs assistance, but asikwati thina lokho simaswati. Thina sineligama la konje ukuthi hayi hamba uyodadisha. Hayi hamba unathe emanti uyolala uyabo. So asinako lokunga-understand.
Yeah. Are there any other signs, common one, that we can look out for? Because I know probably my signs like corner and mbukele kaya makelwane mhlambe sometimes act a certain way and stuff like that.
Lama signs akhona and akukulula kwa-identifya. For example nje udawuva now sola ke ukuthi hayi ngathi sekutawendeka lesimo sekugcekezela uqala ngeke uvile inhliziyo yakhe ishayele edulu. Udawuva nje ishayele edulu noma uvele sifuba simhlungu. Lokunye udawuva kwangathi sophelelwa ngumphefumulo sophefumulela edulu kwangathi bogijima. Seyaqala ke lapho sekunama panic attacks. Noma ke uve nje awukhona ukuphefumula uvele sifuba siyavaleka. Lokunye kudawuva lesifuba siyaqina kakhulu njenge asthma attack. Phinze uve kwangathi ushaya siyeti, phinze uve kwangathi soyachupha ke manje, soyafoma ke manje. So mawunganaka kahle nje lama symptoms engikhuluma ngawo, ngilama symptoms lo waweva nalelo langa nabakugcekezela noma mawa-attacka. Lokunye ke udawuva kukhona lapho khona angati babukele emakhaya ukuthi babhekana nakweni. Kukhona lapho khona uva kwangathi awusadi uva kwangathi awukho la mtimbeni wakho. Uva kwangathi soyimovie konke kuyenteka bayagcekeza ngekolomye umuntu uthi ngavele nami ngafreeza ngabathatha abantu nami ngabona muva ukuthi hayibo phela bekufanele ngibaleke noma bekufanele ngimbambe ngilokufreeza lo mtimba kungathi nje uyathula ukhoni awati nethi uwende njani. And then ke nale kwesaba ke nje the fear of losing control or dying.
Yeah, this is a serious one, man. This is a serious topic, and I like the fact that you're breaking it down. You're still watching Mind Over Matter. Anxiety and panic attack. We break just after this ad break. Please don't go anywhere. Welcome back, Mbugeli. You're still watching Mind Over Matter. This is a space, Mbugeli, where we get to talk about issues that we face on a daily basis. Today, we are talking about a very important topic. We're talking about panic attack and anxiety. I'm not doing this alone. I'm doing it with Velile Mbugeli Wakandlovu. And trust me, episode I know now, Dr. Alcito. As we were talking about anxiety, we were talking about common signs, right? But Nyaloge, I just want us to talk about the stigma behind it, because Lomunye, we are sabana wusho would say or something like that. I'm saying this because I have a friend of mine. She's gonna make an example. I hope she's gonna kill me when she sees this. But Naga crowded. Like when there's a crowd, there's a meeting or whatever, then she can't breathe. She needs to go out, from nowhere. Then she needs to breathe. She then starts crying and stuff like that. Is that part of the anxiety or as part of the panic attack part? Yeah. And are people aware of that? And are they not afraid of saying, I think I have this situation?
Definitely. I think lokukhulu ukuthi bantu abawati lama symptoms. Abawati lama symptoms. Mababona kwendeka noma babeva kwendeka le panic attack. Number 1, abathi lokuthi sekwendekani kubo. Number 2, labantu around them aba understand lokuthi sekwendekani. So maybe nje ku-tacklisha le situation yemngane wakho, maybe lokumcoka ababukela emakhala kufuna baka-understand ukuthi ngiwaphi lama symptoms ale panic attack. I mean, not ama symptoms, but nje ma stigmas around le panic attack. So kwekuqala nje ukuthi kufuna umuntu understand lokho ukuthi noma abantu siba understand lokho ukuthi i-panic attack, it's not a sign of weakness. Umngane wakho nje lo velelwe ngile panic attack, it's labanye abantu ambothi hayibo waba weak nje wena konke malanga nje wena wena nje awubati abantu balamsebentini yini inkinga yakho yabo. So that's a stigma because lo muntu angeke understand lento la ivako. So i-panic attack ke kwekucala nje i-stigma sayo ukuthi babukela emakhaya ba-understand ukuthi it's not a weakness, it's a unique physiological response to perceived danger. That's number one. Number two ke lokunye lekufuna baku-understande abantu ukuthi kungendeka noma ngangibani. Sonke, we are not immune to stress. We are not immune to anxiety. We are not immune to anxiety-provoking situations. So, utokhanza ukuthi sonke si experience le robbery ekhaya bayasingenela. Wena emva kwaloko kusasa ekseni utobu right noma engcenye utobu tithulele nje unganaki umuntu. Mina engala ngidobe ngikhala. Bantu bathi hawu ungani mosinasis wakho beyakhona inkinga takho. So sihlukene in our reactions nako lokumcoka kakhulu. And ke naloko ukuthi ke bantu ufuna ba understand lokho ukuthi le anxiety lama panic attacks noma le anxiety it's a natural body's response. Umtimba ungena ku survival mode sonke isikhathi. Noma kukhona lokwendeka ku physically kumuntu nazama nje uku-attacka ungena ku survival mode uyathi-protecta. So nale panic attack, it's the body's way of trying to protect itself from the perceived danger.
No, it's a good one. And then then how do you manage a situation efana njengalena? Sithi naye seyendeka and I'm not velile. I don't know what to do. I'm just an ordinary person. How do I help this person? How do I manage the situation?
So, kunanakulo sithi ma-grounding techniques. Grounding techniques akubisa back to reality. So, lo muntu kufuna abe back in touch with the space, the environment la kuyo. So, ma-grounding techniques kungaba ke ma-counting, breathing exercises. That's the first one. And then the second one ke ngiloko ukuthi uyicontrol le breathing yakho. Kukhona lokuthi uheftele lokho nje number one, it's energy consuming. So ufuna uzame lokho ukuthi le energy yakho uyi reserve as much as possible. So okay, you have to now control your breathing. Unake lokho ukuthi uphefumula kanjani. Pace. Number 3 ngiloko ukuthi ke ulimit lama triggers. So mawati ukuthi yati tinfo ema situations la kanje ayangtriggerisha lokho ukuthi ngibe nale panic attack, try to avoid them. Nangabe indzaba yasemsebentini ingcenye kwendeka emsebentini lesimo kufuna bese se-engage abantu basemsebentini ukuthi because of lesimo lesikanjena nizame lokho ukuthi ni-accommodate nanga umuntu lasanale panic attack ukuze kwehle leso simo leso kuye.
Yeah. At your line of work, njengoba usebenza as a psychological counselor, injani i-reception in terms of people knowing more about anxiety and panic attack? Are people aware of it that come through, or you still think that there's so much education that needs to be sent out there for people to understand exactly?
I think bantu sebayaqala ku note ukuthi hayi ngibuka le ndlela lese bantu betanga khona for counseling. Pambilini, the thought of counseling bekungathi sofaka umuntu wesithathu etindzabeni tethu. But nyalo I think abantu seba affected so much that they realize ukuthi ngeke ngikhone kuyi-manager lento lena ekhaya. Naloko ukuthi ke sekunalo nale awareness nje ukuthi mental health. So bantu beta nale curiosity ukuthi yathi angitiva kahle. But ke when it comes to le panic attack, bantu abeti ngeke ukuthi bafuna lo sito for le panic attack. Bona baya ngema physiological symptoms, baya esibhedlela batikhanza nje kuma emergency wards because of le panic attack. So ita kwangathi stroke, ita kwangathi heart attack. So bona beta kwangathi beta to treat leyo heart attack, leso stroke. Nabafika esibhedlela no heartbeat is fine. Blood palpitations, everything is fine. No, bese dokotela soyamkhulumisa. Soyasho ke lo muntu ukuthi hayi ekhaya ngiliswa indvodza yami. Hamba kwe counseling. Sengilapho ke lo muntu abona ukuthi hawu kani bengasi heart attack. So bayeta abantu kakhulu, but imvamsa yesikhathi baqala esibhedlela ngekutolapha ema physical symptoms. Senkhanda abafunza khona ukuthi it's actually a psychological situation manifesting in a physiological manner.
You mentioned, Nascala Khulume mentioned about students, Nagabala, Utsafilanjan and everything. What are you guys doing as a department for that knowledge to also go to Kolweni so that they understand to know you are normal. It's just a normal reaction. It's because of 1, 2, 3. That's why you're going through what you're going through. Are you guys out there at schools or are you planning to do that as well?
Very good and relevant question. Last week the past few weeks, I was in different schools. Bosiseke, Lonje, we were in different schools. They're talking to the learners and they have expressed their issues. Basically, there's now an awareness. School counselor. There's a huge awareness la kangwane. So nathi siyahamba bo counselor sibakhulumise etikolweni, and nyalo nje October month was October awareness. So was mental health awareness. So siphumile vele kakhulu in our numbers individually, and because it's not just about the learners, but it's also about the teachers as well. They need to be aware, because when angekuta ngeheartbreak yakho to the classroom, uyicithela kula bantwana abasakhona ukufunda banake wena lo so lilago. So it's an all-rounded awareness. So definitely see kulama team build exercises nje abothishela, employees, employers. Definitely, for the students.
I hope you guys are also going to teach as parents as well, because I pay less it's the teachers and students. We also need to know what's going on. Or whatever, that are not good, they are going through that situation. We're going to talk more after the air break, right? Mbukeli, you are still chilling with me, Mbali Simelane, and Hambing it for Hamba Naivili Ndlovu, anxiety and panic attack. Please don't go anywhere. A lot is still coming just after this. Welcome back, Mbukeli. Soluhlete naye imbali wakaSimelane Umnguni Mpembe Ndlebe Mchwane. Sikhulumisa izaba lemculo kakhulu ehlelweni Mind Over Matter Mbukeli. Lokuhle ukuthi I'm not doing it alone. Nginaye evelile our expert today. Lo sitako kule ndzaba lesikhulumisako indzaba anxiety and panic attack. Velile, this is part that I really want us to talk about. When do you go and seek for help? Because there are certain things that needs to be done. But when is it serious? Like now I need to go and see Velile for the situation.
So tikona vele tikhathi lapho khona sinawo lama anxieties nalama panic attacks, which is a normal part of life. Timo diavela, adversity, natural disasters, unnatural disasters, things happen. Heartbreaks are also a disaster. Yes. So when now it's time to seek help is when le anxiety ubathe for 3 months, buti wahlukana nawe January, sekufika August, solo wena uvuka inhlitiyo yesinza akuphumeke embhedzeni.
But it's been years. Obviously, it needs years to heal. I'm joking, but yeah.
You're right. You're right. Bantu bahlukene labanye udzinga kusasa kuseni umuve on ucedzile. Lo munye utothatha loyo years. But kuloyo years it counts lokho ukuthi uvani kuloyo years. Because ngaba years ukuthi asengihile angisengibe right. But ukhona lo years of weeping, hecticness awukhona kuya ncenge umuntu bothanza kuya out going out, outdoor activities, all these things. But nyalo, you have been reduced to your bedroom. And nala kamera nasingena, ma pizza boxes solo abaphasi kwembhedze akuklinwa nawe awukazi ugeze kuphuma nje landlini uphumele ngephandle ngumsebenzi ku interact ngumsebenzi because inhlitiyo yakho idzabile.
Yeah.
So that's when you start seeking help. Naloko ukuthi ke you njengoba ngisho ukuthi uhlale kamereni, you avoid socializing with people. Kuba i-effort ayineka ukuthi you avoid because you are trying to heal. Utele energy to do it, like you are so drained. You are so drained. And nasesikolweni futhi nasemsebenzini because it's all so ebuzaleni bethu. Le training uyibona la emsebenzini lokhu sisebenza nje kulukhuni nekuthi abantu bayahlekelela bayacoca wena you're not there. Esikolweni bayadadisha kuyanjinjwa ama timetable, you're not there. Ekhaya bayabonda kuyavunwa kwentiwane. You are not there. Everything is too much. Mabathi ke wota phela velile siyosebenza. Uvugongonyeka kakhulu. And it's not good to khona lo busy ngako. You just want to cover yourself in your blankets and just wallow in self-pity, in pity yabo. So that's when you start seeking help. Naloko ukuthi ke in that sitting alone, isolating, avoiding human interaction, nawe uba nalama panic attacks. Everything is a trigger lapho. Ngikhuluma mina kubona nje kuva nje just the sound of a song sekubuya qalela phansi leso sibibithwane ngiyabekisa nje kubona nje leto incwadi tihleli lapho kubuya leso sibibithwane ukuthi kufuna ngiyobhala ngibekisa so many things ngaleso sikhathi tiba i-trigger and everything becomes a trigger, so you are constantly triggered. So ngilama panic attacks lawo and usahleli nje lapha njengoba ngishilo kuwe ukuthi yes ungamthatha lo 10 years but uva njani lo 10 years kuyendeka ukuthi uhlale kuloyo 10 years but miserable 10 years uhleli noma abantu ke sebayakusoma phela nani you are miserable uva buhlungu like you cannot see the world in its rainbow colors, you just see it as black or gray. That's when you need to start seeking
for help.
Yeah.
Nomunye kha probably atibuta ukuthi I know I need to go see Velile but ikhona any shortcut. Ukhona yini mhlambe medication engithathako you know to calm me whenever ngiva inhlito yami seshayile eTulu whenever ngithi ngidlula lana la kwendeka khona certain situations ekubuya phansi ekucala phansi yonke lento. Khona nendvele I shortcut. Nang shortcut I just mean just popping up a pill and being okay.
Ngofa kahle. Ikhona medication but lengikwatiko ama-psycho drugs akasiwe over the counter medication ukuthi ngaya pharmacy nje ngiyocela i-medication for depression. So lapho ngingam-advise nje umbukele ekhaya ukuthi don't self-medicate, don't look for shortcuts. Ama-affairs of the mind take time. They are not something longa ijaga and kwakona kufana ne grieving nje lokuthi sokushone emake kushone babe. It's not something naturally futhi labanye kubathatha years labanye make washona before COVID but exactly nginamhla lisizi abakhona labanye abasayisho nasekhaya because ekhaya likhaya lakhiwa ngimake angithi. So I would not advise lokuthi sifuna shortcut lapho mina I advise lokuthi hamba uye uthole psychological assistance, psychological help. Lapho nje nasekudingeka lamaphilisi hamba uthola umflo ongakhulumisana naye. Nangabe lokukhulumisana uyeta ke kuvelile ukhulumisane naye. And then velile nangabe uyahamba uyabona ukuthi hayi so lokuthi umehluko emva kwa 3 months sengithike mina no hamba uyobona clinical psychologist. Clinical psychologist ke so yakhona ke ukuthi no asawuthatha namaphilisi nawa in whilst uhamba for the therapy sessions. Kukhona vele lapho khona uwathinga lamaphilisi bo panic attack bo insomnia nje ukhona ikulala definitely.
Kendeka vele ukuthi ngifike to a point where nothing triggers me anymore. Noma ngabe ngihamba kuphi noma ngabe ngivale yongoma leyo like everything is fine. Ngibuta ukuthi do you completely get healed? Ube my panic attacks, ube the anxiety, like ube nje 100% from a person who has had the situation to a completely 100% healed person.
Liqiniso lithi wonke muntu can heal from anxiety, panic attack. Even panic attack triggered after years, you can heal from that. Mind you, healing is not ukuthi awusakhumbuli sesimformate i-memory card, no. Sikhulumela ukuthi yes ngiyati ukuthi makwami washona during COVID but angsa nangibona maybe impahla yakhe noma nangene kamereni lakhe akusedi leso sibibithwane noma angiseva kwangathi impilo yami seyiyaphela. Ngiyakhona nje ngingena kahle ngithathele ngikuthathako ngiphume ngiyakhona futhi kugcoka leto ticatfulo betitama kwami ngitigcoke without kuyendeka lokho but after leyo psycho support definitely kuyendeka after some time.
Before we get to the coping part, I just want to ask you, it's very important to see Velile because it's a professional help. But I didn't see anyone, I didn't pop any pill. But now, you know, everything is normal. Does it happen?
Truth is, sihlukene la mhlabeni. Sihlukene, that means as different peoples nema defenses lahlukene. Kune simo njengoba ngeke ngamekisa nje ukuthi kuyendeka bagcekeze songithusi lana but mina kung affect so badly ngifisa nekubulala wena kungaku affect. So biology iyayidlala inzima to how we cope to stress, to how we cope with panic attacks and anxiety. So lomunye vele akayidzingi leyo counseling, but lomunye lama defenses akhe they are so weak that vele without support bangagcina sebafuna nekubulala.
It gets to that.
It gets to
Oh,
that.
thank you so much, Velile, for coming through today. We've learned a lot. Ngithemba nembukele ekhaya ufunze lokuningi. Nalo bese siyakwadi. Anamhluku aniphekhile sesiyaduma ihluko anxiety and panic attack. I'm one of them. Ngithemba bukele ekhaya udona siqiniseke ukuthi usiphinza uba nathi evilanzela ngaso nasikhathi lesifanako. For me Mbali Semelane, Umnguni Mpembe, Ndlezo Mchwane, and the rest of the amazing team, sinsale kahle and God bless you.